What's good, family? I just want to hop on real fast and do a recap video of a gold trade that we took this morning. Absolutely insane. Done exactly what we expected it to do. I posted the trade on my trading view, sent it out to the team this morning. Kind of just getting into a groove early on in the week. So this was a nice 100 pip trade, basically, to start the week out. And then we're gonna jump right into it, right? If it makes sense to you, then it can make money. And I think the way that we trade is super simple. You really just have to understand market structure, right? Support and resistance, and go from there. So let me pull up my screen here. It's so dope. I'm saying this is extremely dope because we're basically doing the exact same thing that the banks do every single day. All right, just learning how to multiply money, learning how to compound it, learning how to invest it, just in general. Um, Everybody, kind of have their respective fields, whether it's real estate, stocks, options, whatever the case may be, you know. But this is the way that we choose to invest, which is in the foreign exchange market. So this is the trade fully finished. I'm closed out of all positions. I believe everybody on my team is closed out on all positions. I want to take you guys to my actual profile, trader view, because it's a lot. Let me tell you this: it's a lot of stuff that you can fake in this industry, but you can't fake analysis. You can't fake marking up a chart, predicting it will go a certain way, and it goes that way, and you took that trade. Like you can't. So I'm saying you can't fake that. So first things first, let's go back to 14 hours ago when I marked this bad boy up. 14 hours ago, we had these two levels of structures. Right, we had a support, we had a resistance. Just first play, boom, trade happened. Right, break and retest. A broken retest on smaller time frame. I'm gonna show you guys exactly where, because we traded this morning. And like I said, it was a beautiful trade. All right, over 100 pips closed for myself. So bring you over to the gold chart. Keep this. So this is when I left the computer. I made a little note. Right, we were already biased that gold was gonna buy. All right, so I said look for the retest of the golden zone during the New York session. And it was ending the London session. If it retests the EMA as well, for additional confirmation, I'm still looking to buy. We are still below Monday's high in C3. All right, at the time we was. If you take this position, use C3 and Monday's high as TP1. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys where we're at. You see, we were roughly right in here. So I was expecting it to come down a little bit more, have a little bit more pullback, and then watch it go up. But it didn't make it to that zone. All right, and what you see right here is just a bullish impulse through our resistance. Right, and what happens is right. What happens is that now we wanna get to the nitty gritty. Right, this is what my charts are looking like. Real time, what I'm looking at. Yeah, purple mode. All right, so once we get the break of this resistance, all right, we look for breaking the retest. Our EMA right here is crossed above. All right, price, it isn't crossed above. Price crossed above the EMA, and price is still trading above the EMA right here. So I'm expecting bullish momentum. I'm at a resistance here. I'm looking for the ceiling to become a floor. I'm getting to the nitty gritty, and I'm gonna drop down to the 15 minute, see what's going on. when it starts to break this level right here, I'm like, oh yeah, this bad boy is about to rise up. All right, we're gonna get into this bad boy and watch it skyrocket. All right, this is at the beginning of the New York session, right at 7 o'clock. So from there, let the bad boy play. Bro, smack. Let me go back to a little bit slower. Look, that mud smack. I ain't smack TP1 like that. Boom, first candlestick, it really smacked. Like I was looking at this, it smacked so fast. I didn't even have time to put in the coordinates for TP1. I had the time. And then from there, we had a little pullback and look at the market. It just freaking starts flying. All right. Completely annihilates our TP1 for right at 30 pips. And then completely annihilates it. Then continue on up. Watch this bad boy. As far as twin trading, all right, stays above our TP1. And eventually moves on up. Smack 100 pip TP. All right, we had 100. We had a 60 pip TP and 100 pip TP. All right, smacked the 60 pip TP and I held it and closed out roughly around 100 pips. All right, reason being, you always got to look left. All right, look left. That's where the market dropped last time. It hit that area. Then it reversed back below. I was like, all right, well, I'm getting out. I'm not gonna stay. I'm not gonna risk my profits. So I'm telling you, super simple strategy. Here, just break and retest. Like that's it. Break and retest. It was perfect. Break and retest. That bad boy was perfect. Like I said, I wanted it honestly initially to come all the way back to this golden zone, but it didn't. It broke above and it retested. So we traded it. We reacted. We reacted to what price did. And one of the things I want to tell you is that when you're trading, don't get stuck in one opinion, right? Because you might not be right. Right? You got to adjust and you got to adapt with the market. So that was our trade. Yeah, that month smack. It's a good feeling. It's a good feeling. So if you want to learn, you can reach out to myself. You can reach out to the trade school page as well. And we'll start educating you, teach you how to do this. And we complement trading with trading plans. All right, so you're not just out here just shooting around, just trying to learn a skill set, right? You're using a specific trading plan, trying to do a specific thing. So let's get it.